Assalamualaikum class. Today we continue our lecture with chapter 3. Chapter 3 is related to alkene and cycloalkene. So in this chapter you will learn on how to give a naming or draw structure based on IUPAC based on IUPAC naming, and also you need to know the method of preparation, and another one you need to know the reaction involved alkene. So for naming of alkene, normally we will use IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming is the standard one. Okay, let's say I draw the structure for alkene. Okay. Okay, first thing you need to find the longest parent chain in the carbon. So how many carbon in the longest parent chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is representing heptene, but we have here double bond. So the name will be heptene. So you need to write like this, heptene. After that, you need to locate the location of the double bond. Make sure the location of the double bond at the lowest number. So if we count from here, from right to left, so we get 1, 2, 3. So the location of the double bond is at location number 3. However, if we count from left to right, so you get location 1, 2, 3, and 4. So which one you should choose? You need to choose from right to left, because when you count from right to left, you get the lowest number of location of double bond. Then you put the location of double bond is at location carbon number 3. So you put 3 here. After that, you need to locate the position of the substituent. So what is the substituent? The substituent is representing methyl. So what is the location for substituent? What is the location for substituent? The location for the substituent in this question are at carbon number 2, carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. So 2, 5. In between number and number, you need to put comma. And you observe here, there are 2 methyl group in this structure, 1 and 2. So you need to put di. Between number and alphabet, you need to put dash. Okay, di methyl. What is di? Di, when you state di, means that there are two substituent exist in the structure. Okay. After that, you put the location of the double bond, and this is the functional group for this type of question. When you write down this one, when the functional group is wrong, so normally question like this, it's contribute 2 marks. If you put the wrong name for the functional group, instead of you need to put heptene, but you put heptane or heptine, so the functional group is wrong. So I will deduct from 2, I will deduct 1, because this is the major mistake. If you put the location is wrong, you put 4, or here the location also wrong, so I will deduct half, 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 and half. So please be careful when you give a name for functional group of the question or class, organic class lah. Okay, this is on how you give the naming for the structure. So how to draw structure for alkene. Okay, alkene. So I will give the structure. I will give the name, and you need to write down the you need to draw the structural formula. Okay, so let's say I give this name trans 3,4 dibromo hep 3-ene. Okay, so here is hep is referring to 7 carbon, so you can draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here, what is there? 3 is representing the location of the double bond. So for naming, you can choose both style. Means that you can put the location of the double bond at the beginning of the functional group name, or you can put the location of the double bond in between the functional group name. But I suggest you, in order to limit your mistake and to make me understand, and also you also can answer clearly, I suggest you to put the location of the double bond or the location of the other functional group at the beginning of the naming of the functional group. Okay, so here is 3, right? So if you need to draw the structure for alkene, so you can choose either you want to count from here or from here. So it's up to you. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after that, it state here bromo and di, means that there are 2 bromine group in this structure. So at which location? Location number 3 and 4. So you need to put bromine at carbon number 3, and another one is carbon number 4. So how about this one? Trans. So Tran is referring to the configuration of the bromine itself, up and down. So remember before I said there are two geometrical isomer exist in alkene, which is Tran isomer and cis isomer. So if you have like this, this is cis. If you have like this, Br up, Br down, this is trans. Okay.